Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today we're going to show you how to factory reset a Pioneer Elite. This is an SC-LX501. First thing you want to do is open this door here. And right here, you'll see an auto direct button right there. So what you want to do is hold the auto direct button down. And then while holding that down, you want to press the power button, release it. You'll have a clear. Turn it back on. And you have successfully reset your amplifier. It's an initial setup. And then from there, you'll just need to hook it up to a TV or a monitor to do the rest of the settings. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe and leave a like.